The 48-hour Manipur-wide burn called by Muslim student bodies disrupt normal life in the parts of the state today. The local volunteers at Hyangthang Park blocked Mayailambi this morning in support of the burn call given by Pangal Student Union, Dhanamunjuri University, PSU, DMU, and All Manipur Muslim Student Organization AMUKO. The student body have imposed a ban in demand of 4% reservations for Maitai Pangal and general courses, non-professional of higher education from the academic season 2020-21. Nangthabal constituency MLA Karam Sham today condoled the sudden demises of writer Dr. Karam Ibunghan Singha. The MLA, while attending a condolence meet held today at the scared shrine of Daining Thau Nungsaba Sanglen located at Lilongchajing, said that let Ibunghan play an immense role in nurturing and promoting Manipuri culture and tradition during his lifetime. Sekmai constituency MLA H. Dingo today laid the foundation stone of office building of Awang Sekmai Apunba Mairapaibi. The MLA also distributed eatables to people including non-locals residing at Kurkul Awang Laikai declared as COVID-19 containment zone. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC co-opt member and social worker Kaisam Ningthemjao in collaborations with United NGO Forum distributed 5 kg rice each to 1,625 residents affected by COVID-19 pandemic. India has reported a daily jump of 49,881 COVID-19 cases even as the tally has soared past the 8 million mark. As per a media report, the country's death toll has mounted to 1,20,563. Out of the total COVID-19 cases, 6,03,687 are currently active, 73,15,989 have been discharged, while 1,20,527 lost the battle against the pandemic. Manipur reported 6 COVID-19 deaths in the past 24 hours, taking the death toll to 156. However, an official report says as many as 8 COVID-19 patients died in the state yesterday. The total COVID cases tally in Manipur reaches 17,809. The active cases stands at 4,233. On the other hand, 212 were discharged from the various COVID care facilities in the state after they tested negative yesterday. So far, the recoveries have reached 13,420, while the recovery rate now stands at 75.5%. A mother-daughter duo from Manipur who went missing since September 15 was rescued and reunited with their family. Samdit Sabam Premi Devi, wife of NG Tomba Singh, and her daughter NG Rameshwari Devi from Kurkul Awang Laikai were rescued by a team of Delhi police for Northeast led by social activist Mayang Lambam Daina from Kheri Sher Khan in Haryana. Mahut Corporations and Social Welfare Minister Okram Henry and Nambol constituency MLA Nangmairakpam Loken today took stock of the situations at the office of Nambol Municipal Council, which has been locked by skilled and non-skilled staff member demanding clearance of their 16 months pending wages. Henry and Loken appealed to the staff to bring an amicable solutions and end the protest. Palel police stations organized a Jan Andolan rally today giving COVID-19 awareness to the masses of the Palel, including Palel Bazaar. The rally was carried out under the supervisions of Kakching District Police Superintendent of Police Victoria Yankhom. The National Investigations Agency NIA continued search for the second successive day today, with raid at 9 locations in Kashmir and New Delhi in connections with a terror funding probe. As per media reports, the NIA raided 9 locations, 7 in Srinagar and 2 in New Delhi, in a case related to NGOs entrusted diverting funds meant for the charitable activities to secessionist and separatist activities in Jammu and Kashmir.